So greetings. So this article is about Bhagavan Sri Patisiddhar, who lived for more than 120 years, but no one know about her name or place from which she belonged. Now, Sri Patisiddhar Jiva Samadhi is located at Tandondri Malai in Karur district, Tamil Nadu, South India. So if you look at the life history of Bhagavan Sri Patisiddhar, she was there for more than 20 years in meditation in open space near to Sundaka Sellandiyamman temple, Mohanur. She was literally sitting on the edge of a road without any support or without any expectation. Sometime she was found in front of Navaladiyan temple in Mohanur for some time. For all these years, as I already told you, she was in open space without any roof or with any help of any blankets. She was an Avaduta. She did not bother about food, dress, sunlight, night time, the climatic changes like winter, summer, any rainfall, etc. So many devotees saw her and worshipped. One such devotee is Dr. Natarajan from Kodumudi. Later she became very important devotee for Patisiddhar. So many times Dr. Natarajan requested Patisiddhar to come with him so that he can take care of her. Patisiddhar refused him that he will not come, but I will come to your place when there is a need. So as he promised Dr. Natarajan, during 2009, she came to farmhouse of Dr. Natarajan at Noyal, Karur. She was sitting in the same place for 7 years up to October 2015. So Patisiddhar started blessing people who approached her for any kind of prayer. So day to day, nearly 100 people, more than 100 people are start coming to get darshan and blessings from Patisiddhar. A person who was in poverty, after getting the blessing from Patisiddhar, now become wealthy. A childless couple got child after getting the blessing. A person who suffered due to disease now got cured and started living happily. So this is about the history. So many miracles happened in front of Bhagavan Sri Patisiddhar. So not only people from India but also foreigners started coming and got the blessings. So to my surprise, so other living creatures like birds also got blessing from Patisiddhar. So to my surprise, I can state few example like great saints, monk and the great siddhas, that is from India, also got blessings. One such is the great saint Agathir, who considered as the first siddhar, also came and discussed with Sri Patisiddhar. Many siddhar lived at the time, like Mauna Siddhar from Tirupur, so called Toppi Amma, now living in Tiruvannamalai. She used to stay with Patisiddhar and get the blessings. Avaduta Siddha from Namakkal also got blessing from Patisiddhar. So Patisiddhar used to say, I am incarnation of Lord Krishna. In future, I will reside at Tandondri Malai, Karur. So Tandondri Malai is the place where a famous Vishnu temple is there. So near to that only Patisiddhar Jiva Samadhi is located. On 5th October 2015, Partisiddhar attained Jivasamadhi on Tiruvadirai Nakshatra. In 2021, Partisiddhar first temple was constructed by the devotees at Petavatalai near to Trichy. So this yugam belongs to Siddhar. So you can easily get the blessings from Siddhas to overcome your day-to-day problems. So try to have a photo of Partisiddhar or any other Siddhar. So make your humble request or prayer in front of the Siddhar. You can overcome all your problems. So devotees of Partisiddhar are from country like Japan, Germany, Britain, USA, worldwide. So each devotee, after getting the darshan or blessings from any Siddhar, their life is becoming happy and healthy. Thank you.